Stock 50997, Sunnen, model CV-616-E, Cylinder King vertical hone, 3/4 to 8-inch diameter, up to 18-inch stroke length, part length, sorry. Serial number 2UI 4676, new 1996. Okay, I did the hard part.
Okay, I'll do the easy part. I'll show you how the machine runs. I'll show you how it looks. We can come on close. We do a few mechanical things up front anyhow. We do have the hand wheel here, and that goes back. In fact, I'm going to leave it all the way over for now, because then we could show, I can't get the cabinet open to the oil pump with that in the middle. Okay. So we've got that. Let's let the guard down to the next stage maybe. Put that there. We do have the tilt for the V-block, obviously. One lock. Open up the lock. And yeah, that all works nice. We lock it in wherever you want. There, lock that in. Come across the elevation, right, you're right there. And up and down. I mean, goes up, go down. Screw works nice, it all works good. That's all the mechanical functions of it. And we'll leave that, like I said, where it is. We'll come around the back, show a few things in back. The oil pump system, we have some tooling on a skid. My line coming in, we can crack this guy open here. Here's the back end. And filtration down low. Am I talking too fast?
Nope, great.
Okay. Here's the cabinet for the oil pump. So it all works. I've got it disconnected temporarily because I don't want it running dry, but yeah, it looks like it's all in good shape down there. And I know that's on the website, but there it is.
Yeah, we have lots of photos.
Yeah, I got pretty good pictures of that down there. And as you come around, you see my temporary three-phase coming in at 480. And if you squeeze in here, here's your electric panel. Pretty straightforward. A couple of contactors, transformer.
Good.
Yep. Yeah, so a couple ways you can go. I'm not a production guy in this, but I can show you the different ways to run this. We're not even on yet. Let me put this back over here somewhere. Oh, we can probably pop open the cover and show the condition. We can in fact run with this half open like this. It's not a big deal. Just kind of show that a little bit, and I'll leave it open while we're running, so you can kind of zoom in on it once we fire this thing up.
Want it bang around?
No, it stays up there actually. Okay. So then if it does bang around, we'll stop the video and start over again. That's what we'll do. But yeah, we're in good shape here. Let me start the control right here. Turn that on. This is force, of course. We can't do much with that. If I squeeze with my hands, I can get that thing to move. So we've got timer and or number. This is number of strokes for dwell. And this is seconds, I believe. Yeah, this is seconds. So you can either run it on time, or you can run it on the dial up here off of 0. And it'll just keep expanding until we come to 0, and it'll shut off. We're going to do both right now. I just happen to have it on 16, so we'll run a 17-second cycle on time, so it won't care about the 0 mark up here at all. And I'll give it, and these are dwells, so maybe give it 4 or 5 dwells just to see it stop, and let's run this up to 25 seconds or something. So this will stop dwelling at 7. You'll see the countdown. This will keep counting until it gets down to 0. So all I have left to do now is turn on the motor, bring in the clutch. Let's watch the cover, make sure we don't lose it, and yeah, we're good to go. There's motor on. You can listen to that first before I bring in the belt. Sounds good. And you can kind of hear this is the clutch. See? It's work. So it's counting. I'm just going to bring in this clutch to see. You hear the ratchet or the reset. And over here, every time the yellow light blinks, that's 1 down. End of dwell. 3 seconds to go. Stops, goes back to 23 seconds. I'll leave the dwell at 0 because now I'll just play with the dwell button here, which is single or continuous. Same thing the timer does. I don't know how it works in the production mode, but that works. And now we're just going to run the 23 seconds again, and I'll use the button here. I'll do a single, and then I'll just put it on continuous. Motor start, run, and here's single. I'll hit it once. That's all. Now I'll just go to continuous. And it'll do that till it times out. All right, that's that. And lastly now, of course, is zero control. When I hit finish size, we don't care about that right now, and now we care about where the zero is at. I'm just going to bring it around to the zero. There's off. See off right there? So I'm going to take off 5, 6, 7, 8 thousandths. I'm just going to start a short run right here. It comes up slowly. We don't have any stones in here. We have no parts, so but it does move slowly. You'll see that zero move up to the 0 point, and it'll shut off right there. It keeps going till it sees 0. It doesn't use the counter at all.
Okay.
So motor on, and well is finished. You'll see the wheel moving real slow. Now that feed is adjustable too, up in the box there. That's about a normal feed. We're getting close. Almost. There's that. When we first started